this video, we're going to use Raspberry AI to create a photoreal line sheet in PowerPoint, starting from these 8 black and white sketches. We'll start in Raspberry AI by checking our integrations in our team settings. Microsoft is already connected, so we're good to go. Next, I'll move into our boards workspace and start a new board. I'll rename it Fall Winter Styles and upload the sketches from my desktop. I'll select all of them and use the Sketch to Render shortcut to open the tool node. In the prompt box, I'll write a custom prompt for each style. Remember, your prompt only needs the color, fabrication, and product type, everything you'd already have on your line sheet. We'll start with the shearling collared leather jacket, espresso brown leather with cream shearling. Then the cream elbow sleeve funnel neck sweater. Next is the oxblood long sleeve fuzzy wrap sweater. Then a taupe long sleeve point collar silk blouse. Next, a taupe wide leg pleated wool trouser. Then a sage leather midi skirt. Next is the gold button bootcut pant in espresso. And finally, a draped jersey knit dress in oxblood. Once all the prompts are filled in, you'll see a green check mark in each box. I'll choose Ghost Mannequin and click Generate. All of the images will render at once. Why start here? This is your core asset. Once you have a photoreal version of your design, you can use it across multiple workflows. Your tech team, factories, buyers, and merch teams are all looking at the same image, so you get alignment much faster. Once the renders are ready, I'll click Review. Review mode makes it easy to see all of your sketch to render outputs side by side and choose the best ones. Now that I've selected my photoreal styles, all I have to do is export them to OneDrive. I'll right-click, choose Export to Microsoft, and save them into my line sheet renders folder. Then I'll jump into PowerPoint. I'll insert pictures directly from OneDrive and pull in all of the exported images. From here, I'll resize and crop to build out the line sheet. Let's take a look at what we did here. We started with 8 black and white 2D sketches, used that same line sheet information to render photoreal styles in Raspberry AI, and then exported those assets directly into OneDrive to build a PowerPoint line sheet. Now we have a clean photoreal PowerPoint line sheet ready to review with stakeholders, all created in Raspberry AI.